In this tutorial, you'll learn how to locate your Slack invite link and convert it into a shareable QR code. First, open your notifications and select the offer related to getting the mobile app. This will guide you toward downloading Slack on your device by choosing the mobile app option in the menu. Click the download link to begin installing the Slack mobile app, allowing you to access team messages on your phone. Next, open the menu to invite new team members and copy the invite link so you can quickly share it for others to join your workspace. Minimize the Slack window, then switch to your web browser to prepare for creating a QR code with your invite link. Now visit a free QR code generator and select the website option, which lets you paste your invite link to instantly generate a QR code. Optionally, choose a color for your QR code to further personalize its appearance. Enter the email addresses of those you'd like to share the QR code with, making it easy for them to join your Slack workspace. You've learned how to share your Slack invite link with a QR code. Feel free to use this method anytime.